Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to real quick give you an idea or show you what exactly it looks like to have an issue with soil compaction. I've already explained to you why you should get an aeration, what the benefits are. This is kind of the flip side of that, what happens if you don't. If you let your yard go for a long time without getting an aeration and you start to do with soil compaction, this is what it looks like. I'm going to post some pictures here. There's kind of three different phases. First, it starts to look stagnant. Your yard just kind of stops growing in the areas that are real compact. You've got your nice turf that's, it's growing fast. It needs to be mowed every week, and then you got these other areas that are green. The turf is there. You can see it. It's green, but it's just not growing. It's just kind of there. That's because the root system is inhibited by the soil compaction. It can't develop. It can't grow, and therefore, what's on top of the ground, the turf, can't develop and grow either. It's just kind of there. After that, it will start to slowly thin out. You can see if you look at the turf, yeah, you'll see grass here and there, but you'll also see patches of just bare ground, and that's the turf just dying off because that root system can't develop. It slowly dies, and the grass just disappears. And then after that, that kind of spreads, and eventually you have entire areas of just bare ground, bare dirt, because the grass couldn't survive because of soil compaction. So that's what happens. That's what you get when you're dealing with severe soil compaction, especially in areas of high traffic. That's where it's most susceptible. If you've got dogs or kids out there playing in the lawn, that's whenever you can really have an issue with it. So it's always best to get an aeration at least once a year. And it's not something that you want to do when you have an issue. Aeration is not something that, okay, I've got some soil compaction, I need to go out there and aerate. You just need to do it every year to prevent this from happening. It's a preventative so that you don't see things like this in your lawn. Get out there and aerate it. That's what's going to help your lawn thrive year to year without dealing with stuff like this. So hope that helps. If you have any questions about that or need any help, let us know. Thanks.